Hi everyone, this is Miss PC. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Me on the other hand, I'm also doing fine. So after New Year, this is my first video on this channel. I mean, first long video obviously. So yeah, about the haircut, no comments. This is not what I wanted, but this doesn't even look bad either. But I think this is not something made for me. And yeah, about the nails, I got this nail done. Looks so good. You can see it's pink almond shaped, so pretty. Okay, so cutting the bullshit, coming to the point. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial video, Latina makeup tutorial. It's all over my Instagram, my YouTube. Everyone is doing this, so I also thought, why not just give it a try. I'm sure this hair is not going with the trend. It should be all one length straight, but let's try. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start the video. I have already put the toner and then the moisturizer on my skin. I'm gonna go with this Dot & Key sunscreen SPF 50. It's tinted. I'm gonna take a lot of this because this has a very lightweight formula, you can see. So today I'm going to use foundation as well. Whenever I use foundation, I am very scared. I don't know, it doesn't suit my skin or something. So I'm just gonna put my hair back. I'm gonna mix it using my fingers only, and I'm gonna just put it. Oh my god, okay. What the hell? But it's water consistency, it's gonna absorb. Oh my god, this is like way I've ruined it. Start one, I've ruined my makeup, bro. Oh my god, what the hell? This is the reason I don't use foundation. Always messes up. I'm not gonna use brush for this because I feel that my finger does better job for the, see, it's blended. I know it looks bad, I think. Okay, so the foundation is done, but I did a mistake that I did not moisturize my skin very nicely. I moisturized it when I came out of bath, so it was all dried up. I should have moisturized it again. So now I'm gonna use this concealer. So I'm just gonna blend it now. I have done the eyebrow thing over there because we need that thick black kind of eyebrow. You'll see, I'm not doing it properly. Maybe I think I'm doing a very bad makeup today. I don't know what's wrong with me. What am I even doing with my face, with my life? Okay, so this look also needs that contoured face, so I'm gonna just contour it. I'm not good at it, but taking the chances. Okay, here. Once I was a model for the bridal makeup. She was very professional. She told me that my face doesn't need the contouring because I already have that cuts on the face, so I don't need it. Okay, so here I'll just put it over here as well. I think that's enough. I'm not gonna experiment more. So just blending it with this brush. I think the powdered bronzer is more nice. I'll just use my fingers for this one. My eyes are burning. Now I'm just gonna blend this one, both the sides. Okay, it's done. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow all over my lid, and I'll take the dark shade, this one, like this, and some over here as well. Just gonna put over here like this and swipe it like this. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. I'll put the eyeliner as well. Now I'm gonna set up my base with this one loose powder. I'm gonna go under my eyes first. Now some of this on my forehead. My skin is really dry today. I should have moisturized it again. I think the foundation which I used really dried up my skin. Now I'm gonna put the eyeliner. I always use this one eyeliner. This is the liquid one, Lakme one, the OG. Whole point of this look is the eyes. That winged liner. I used to be master in putting liners before. Now I don't have that practice because I don't use it, but I was a pro. Okay, this is the one eye. I hope I do the same on this eye as well, which I doubt. This is the universal problem that it can never be the same. Okay, this is not same I think, but I think it's almost same. I think the left one is too pointed, so I'll just make it a little bit curved like this. Nice. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, so for this look the lashes are must, but I'm not going to put any lashes, so I'm going to use this one to curl my lashes. I'm very scared to use this. They do like this as well, but I'm scared. Okay, so I've curled my lash. Now I'm gonna put the mascara. First I'll just define it with the thinner brush like this. Now I'm gonna use the thicker side to give it a volume. So I'm done with the lashes as well. It looks amazing. Okay, so we need to put something over here as well on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna use my lip liner. This is in the shade very dark brown, almost black, but not black. I tried it once and it looked so good, so I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm just gonna blend it with my hand a little bit. It gives that, you know, reddish black kind of look, which I absolutely love. I did it this side as well. I'm going to just blend it with my fingers like this. See, looks so good. Okay, so now you must be seeing the white line on my upper lash line, so I'm just gonna put some kajal, not that much, just a little bit on my upper lash line. It defines your lashes more. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. It's been a while, I haven't done the threading, so it looks messy, but that's why we are just gonna put a little bit. Whatever makeup I use, I always use my fingers for that to blend. Trust my fingers. I'm gonna fill in like this. The whole point of this look is that black eyebrows, the thick, you know, eyeliner, all that. I know my eyebrows doesn't look perfect, but it's not threaded, so that's why I'm just gonna keep it very simple. I won't say simple, it doesn't look simple. I think it looks very much black, but it's okay. I don't know why my eyes are burning so much. Now I'm gonna put this blush. Again, I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm very messy with my makeup, very much. I don't know what I do. I can never be calm while doing my makeup. I'm very wild. Now I'm gonna put the highlighter. Just gonna use my fingers like this and use it over here as well. Now the last part of this makeup, I'm gonna lip line my lips. Gonna be a little up. Now the lipstick. I'm gonna use this shade first because this look is not about pink or red or something, which I usually do. This is kind of nudish kind of look. Let's try, or I'll mix lipsticks. It's gonna get dried up and then we can use another shade to make it more beautiful. This one doesn't look bad either, but then not giving so much. Okay, so this is the color we got from the lipstick. Now I'm gonna just blend it up a little bit. I hope I don't ruin this, but let's see. Not bad. Okay, so there is a little change on the lip shade, not much, but I'm loving it. Do you like my makeup? Okay, so this is today's makeup. I think I did a great job. Only if my hair was long like before the straight cut which I had, it would have looked the same. Just because this hair, I think the makeup is not coming out that look which I wanted to recreate. It cannot be recreated because of the hair, I'm sure, because it's not going with the vibe. I need to grow my hair now. I need to start oiling my hair. But I'm happy with this makeup. Do you guys like it? So that was it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and loved my makeup. I loved my makeup. It's just that it's not going with the hair. That's why you're not being able to understand it, I think. But this is the Latina makeup everyone is doing. I regret so much. Trust me, I regret cutting my hair so much. And I had this haircut last week, and since then I'm in shock. I'm trying to be happy with this hair, but I think my life is ruined. It doesn't look that bad though, but this is not me. This haircut is not me. But okay, cutting the crap. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also share it with your friends or anyone who would want to see this. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.